Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen around the globe. A very warm welcome to the latest edition of What's Next in OSD Production.
We have challenges, we have new rules and changes every day. We have a common purpose and responsibility. And responsibility means for me the responsibility to supply safe and high quality pharmaceutical and nutrition products to I will say, a global growing population.
Containment is an important topic, which is primarily driven due to the growth of oncology, due to the growth of highly active products.
The fact is that the products get more and more toxic, so therefore the containment gets more and more complex, and the more complex the equipment becomes, the more skilled the employees must be.
I think the decreasing figures of high potent OSD drugs drives the decision of the development. Workplace limits become stronger, and I think today it's really difficult to get your process validated and approval from the authority without containment.
And this is an isolator training where the operators learn how to prepare the isolator for washing. So please feel invited to get a real demonstration if you ever have the chance to be here in our site on Schwarzenbeck.
This medium level of containment becomes some kind of standard in the industry. It should be additional. It should be something that is the added benefit you have, and not something you should choose between.
Clear was for me this need for this high-end containment, with high OEB levels and more of the HPAPI products, so which we have to take care of, that we have really a safe production. Real solutions are required, higher automation levels, maybe with robots, is coming up. We have a lot to do, but we have to do that together as a team and collaboration partners.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.